Yama hwefo akwaba embra kwesi abwaje live so abrante otim anim ene ye ne ba bedin komo kakra on here introduction but Otiama Broni din a unim say original sanade yes Otiama Broni dia to say original sanade oya artista the din ewo media nim crampo enso dada original mo akwaba
yeah
na boko there
Boko center for our
in a minute, you can original sana or the introduce mommy or your wine.
Original sana, I'm a musician, a politician, a Rasta man, and an entertainer.
Yeah. A musician, politician, Rasta man, entertainer. Okay. Who for you from Ghana?
Ghana had the makers and the tribes and the also some because we are big claiming it.
But a crew bench on our feet.
Sorry, I want me all Aguna Sudu.
Okay.
Or Dakwano to be precise, and so that's my area. Be a woman. I walk Aguna Sudu, a fraud Dakwano, the main lorry station of Aguna Sudu.
Issue whereby a young Shenfiho and Fambram between a Okoball show, just a Ofra Amabroni bar stage, Emma. SMC bebre Ghana ha enya asem keto akra sa ansem no ofa ne sen keto e bi na yenko
osu anya easy mo say ewi ase ankasa wonna ma santane kasa asem mpe nipa na da pe no ho asem ya gudi mu asem yen edwuma ye ne say yedi abroad je nkofu ni nti esa gudi ni nkofu ni jeje even won say football nti na e wo foul ni penalty wo na ya gudi o so bitumi butu obi na for life and sorry you know I apache but I have good day any eduma nti no me hu say beginning na start here ne hu ne pressure ne say na pressure ne ba na ma nyeme bi wo no man fan say send bi yankeka ne ye na nyeme bi na what I say but echiri no na be say na yetu ye boase na me cool down na me hwe say nya ne ma be ko because asem na aba I'm say enye adwin bia adwin bone bi so ana adwin bi so say me frɛ obi so ombra mbe yi ne ho kwatre kwa emo ya bibia be gina stage a ya me kano for fun say bi o me po bi o ba be say you draws the in the draws na there I've never encountered somebody coming there the last time somebody tried not share bikini and so I cover up and you know that was the least thing I've ever expected say me you beat me akọ that depth so be bo naked, but it happened anyway. I mean, you know, one way or the other, no say what can na bant, you know, you take blames and then you move forward to the next how things are going. But for now, no, the issue was court. And our intention the kind and how we mean in the songs and all that, you know, know your different stories are. What I said, Nina no court is and to me go deep near and church and name be brave. But for now, there are. My name manager, I mean, I saw a court CCR, ye abino, AD, said,
okay, so court case, you know, it's saying, Mama appear or court how many times, and I could see saying,
oh, we are caught 2 times. I'm a journey case, you know, to another date. Yeah, trying for that date, you know, yes, I call back to court. Say, Omugusua, yeah, try case, you know, to see, said, yeah, come. A class someone being for the far. See, and then I can say, you to me could deep and can't send me now say, be a say, but so far, your courts, you know, I'm a bonus and the Anna and Pessa, Meca, and Mosemi, but in Nino, you see, I deal. Say you will send you see, I deal to the court, the kind baby, who you will forward and I can say, be a corner. Yeah, fine.
Okay, all right. Through a issue now, no, Okoma, yeah, nebusian for $500, right? Who's in some baby bria? Just say, I'm saying, I saw mom $1,000 one alcohol promise here. Sign in some so buy no, what you saying? And a 500 now can also the back one. I say, it's saying,
oh, say, time I send me back for fraud. I mean, I make kind of pressure and I mean, too much. And I decided, okay, fine. Me cancel my man will be about $100 and will be buy and SMC. asem na esi no adan na me $100 na me kan for that issue no enye say bia me dey hear bibi foforo bia but for that issue say me kan $100 because the media was kept on asking say this $100 not the man no so no but asem so see right after we feel na until he decided say ke be 1,900 be kan na for the sake of entafo na we ja omo no ka ye dey support bibi just from our own humanitarian instinct and you say bia for any other way but say adoye bi wo ye mu for the meantime and you say sisi ayekase aye work out ye face indecent exposure ni na aka asem esi ye no but say obi tumi hwere ne nkwa woman de enye yen na ye ya no so enye no so ntina aban frɛ yen no because omo ye hwem na enye no nti enye boni funso obi a wo ho say ne nkwa ye betumi age ne nkwa fini nti no aye we say nti no me decide wa komo 1,000 and na ye nya 500 and my manager ne ni mi aboy ne kasa ye na boy ne si o omkra no omu nye sika ntodwane man kola no tini phone kra no person koton ti se we nya $500 na ya mpasa ye nya na ebe mo mo a na ye mo mo beje me de sa na me tie audio na me manager record boy ne kasa no okay ye say my friends say mo man beje and no manager ka ti se be press conference address the public and any public na kasa up public na show for all the cool meanings because they didn't cost ni na no em say sometimes yes we be an interview bi ni aka say bi na anya public na den na you know you be come be so yeah sorry for the meantime yeah sorry now public ni nga ye ho abotre kakra na den hwem fi because den ya nipa na efum ti sem fum so ba nipa so na de be check enti yes ana o ka na mo ye mamba dwan press conference ni nyina ye enti me na me present sika no e na me yes say sika no ye 1,000 person de mama but nya 500 and interview and ka say Charlie ye nya time do sign cover up second phase of the 500 na mo so mo benya the next week na mo dey account no ti mo ni o ma kan we dia and I know say like they said they trusted us knowing say oh indeed we mo omo dey 500 aba willingly there maybe they will bring the rest you know they say I don't know can say ye more 1,000 in the cameras ni enfa no nko na ichiri boko ni enfa 500 nko mo me dey na ma dwen boa. But I realize say omunyina na ma menete hobi ni nua boy ni to be me put me sense bisa ni nua boy say Charlie but you understand with because me there I saw said this was going to come. I don't know how but my instinct was just telling me say asem we be sinti no e ba na sa na muti ase na me presenting na sa na later sa asem ba me then I wasn't surprised nti na me man comment wo mo no. Okay. I wasn't surprised but the prompting omo start omo kan asem na if is omo kan for the balance in beginning me say na me so mo kan for the balance but e chire na me hu say nye balance na ehun but aso mo kan gu mani mu ase say me twa ntro say me say me mo 1,000 na mo 500 ntin ntro na me twa no kra mpu no e signify say ne ba ne wo me mu bi ma me ne frɛ me e bru me nua send me WhatsApp e dua pa de send me WhatsApp twa boss ya bo dua fa WhatsApp da oh ya bo me dua fa WhatsApp yeah, I was sending a WhatsApp no the blame me wa me nya WhatsApp me tie na kwan me ba no fa so be wu bi challenge sem bi gonwa but you know no me I know say me nkodi obi abone agro die mu na bibi esi na me mfa mo nsem bi a serious anytime I send man comment wo ho no because I realize say ka scan balance mpo na open no yes anka meti na say bi open balance nti no ye den or yes but no officer can go me ma say me twa na ntro nti no. Right. It is linked with her daughter.
So with all the bruhaha no by now 500 no akemwana say beba.
Manti omo me tese come some the $500 na bring me back. Me mum dem me imagine say come to buy anka medical me say season na mash. This year me work out I have to pay my lawyer. I need money to solve all these things. What I say which I didn't literally mean so be but a serious you know you have to just take the responsibility and then face what you have to face and go on but say out of my will na me say maybe business you know mo bana some person mo many mass to make my DJ bia mbo menwom oh say see amenwom obi mbo what is say e mbo menwom da so that's what the public wanted no more pay so now no they are okay my song has not been played this year and I'm still struggling to promote a new song and see how it's going to pick up and all that you know now no my dream I'm in court, I'm thinking about my career, I'm thinking about my life and all that. So what I say, a whole lot has gone in this In fact, it's not been easy with me, but I know with God on our side, Jah Rastafari will take us out of these problems and all that. Is it?
Okay, so we notice say a year no man could be, is it because of the same issues in Tinamanko?
Oh, but also, to be frank, to be very, very honest, one, I didn't know this girl from Adam from anywhere. The first time I met her, so be Jina was stage in the solo. Intina me and I assembly see I felt like so be to me a bad state for that level when they are fun. And think for the sake of fun, love, and all that, the whole Wana movement crew was ready with my people in Kaswa, and everybody was ready for us to move. But threatening, other things be a course when they are management advice and security advice was like I shouldn't dare put step efforts there. And we were just going by security advice. That is why I didn't show up at the funeral of the lady.
Okay.
Yeah, but we one way or the other also held our own memorial for her soul, because no matter what, human being is a human being. Me, I would never stand anywhere to say anything, because this girl way in a way, very part of my life. What I say, Obi put me who no say I'm a brony kunu. Like seriously, like Obi to me who I can't a brony kunu. What I say, because I say that a very part and parcel of me in a way because we have to do piano, we can't say start interview and our damn
of course.
And yet bonus will say but then security wise and other issues, because not tempers were very fled.
Okay.
We even saw things like cause we in as
sure.
Violence,
Sure.
There was so much violence at the funeral, so just imagine said they hit me. Yet I saw some guys that no more you draws for a while, man for be your draws, and it turned to a big fight, the family, and it just imagine say if I should be there. I mean, just imagine.
All right. Okase muno, okase we a politician. What go forward say bia we jina MPB okromo happen.
Last 2020 elections, I'm a candidate for GCPP.
GCPP.
Dr. Latte, that's Great Consolidated Popular Party. That Latte Party.
Okay.
Yeah, I was the parliamentary aspirant for GCPP or Kaswa Utu Senior East. Mene, Madam maybe Sawa Kunsene, Madam Nako, your contest.
I see. And I'll Rihanna.
Oh, my Ria, Quawa I'm your report.
It's over cancer autos, say.
Man, you won't be. None of my 5 minutes, not be 5. Now, oh, CPP guy, you guy, no, you're more than coming by me. Oh, I'm we have a vote.
Sir,
I'm going to have a vote and come every grass and pool.
I see.
Let me vote in and this is for an MPP for no.
Come on, boys, not to my own. Youth no.
Missy this name before no we have good. Now you don't make court. Me can you me court we have the this name people so court because I'm not
but one I have to
boss who that now we want them to make court na me win now there.
Original sana. Yan share nsemo ekoso wo say Kaswa de ha de watena and the house of crown and say ugina as parliamentary candidate. Nsemo ekoso wo Kaswa doso. Nanse ne ate say obi akoyiska o bank ko 40 moto so na makoku no efiwo ne amabroni kra nsem ebe no Kaswa nsem te say ase Kaswa gene ho me na pa wo Ghana ha no ba nya ase nkofo kra hu ne say Kaswa de ope baby violence pa o Ghana ha Kaswa of course. What do you say, you being the showbiz industry now, say politician or nsem we no o gene say
Kaswa nsem true, say. First off, no. If I say, like, my ma, or chauffeur, ne, uti for ni na tina maybe a sickle, and a Ghana for ni be a similar. Kaswa no, a United City.
Okay, say United City out here,
good. Obi awa happy.
Okay.
Yes. It's more of like a cosmopolitan city, you understand?
Okay.
Which harbors a lot of people from all walks of life. Yeah, would even foreigners like typical Europeans here. Omoteha, you know, buha. Yeah, you Chinese food buha. You know, one trended that then to be able. Mr. Bossu, me fi Dubai Bagana and I'm music as well international city.
Okay.
What I said. Now apart from that, Ghana have almost every town be a nipa work as well. So we are aware.
Yeah.
Yes, so this is a diverse community. In terms of and I have no so near community, it is a community create so a market center.
Okay.
Yes. A whole lot of things automatically goes on our market areas. I want to be a hot sana, a yes, it's natural say violence, crime, and all that because of the nature of what I say capitalist system. Yes, and in Kaswana there, so can say you Kaswaya share yet yes, Kaswan is a hot city, not joking here. Yeah, man.
Okay.
But a whole lot of time, na media more overrate Kaswa issues. And I blame the media.
You blame the media?
Yes. Embra Mijina MP. Me try media houses they do. Some did well. Oh, me bobi mo about so. Media station bia obi ahu se na me wo ho bia they did well na no mpo no. Waje kakra. Enye se kakra waje. Dem go tun ka say political show but what should no rasta no. We go me accordingly. So what I say? Some media were mentioning some outrageous monies just to get because is a me MP we in a passing prone to a day. We say sometimes maybe to make back to say free. And we have to 2 months, I'm for now with my management had put it also Charlie grab this opportunity. You never know. So we went in there with nothing. Until none of pricing can be used media space because of my showbiz affiliation with. But Charlie, see come boy, no media was ready to like project me on there for the people to see say the first Rastaman to be on the ballot paper has been shot up in the mainstream metro.
Yeah.
They didn't know it. But because to Numa accidentally be in the draw so cottage I light chain now. I didn't even know Ghana media would have my pictures. Charlie, sometimes to me who picture be na TV be super yeah, chami adapankwa. You understand? So what the media does is they project the negative side of our city, Kaswa, to the masses. Into being him say Kaswa is a violence and criminal city, which is far from that. The youth in Kaswa themselves, they are hardworking youth. Do you understand? And a lot is going on creating these problems for this city Kaswa. And now sometimes when you preach something on what they be too be pena where's this out there no. And send the Kaswa as criminal now criminals are Ashama, Nima, Mamobi, Salaga, Boko, Tafo, Asankregwa, Wonina, Takrade, Obia move Abesha Kaswa. Because the woman in your line is Kaswa because media project is our ideology.
Oh, but say idea koso and a media no can once a member.
Who says sometimes you don't need a narrative they change good can override evil. So who say you project it good. Oh, Rastaman BHNP, wow, first time Kaswa high tension boy. And that high tension is the center of Kaswa problem. Be back obi to me. And I share once a Kaswa no. Omam demarcated Kaswa in such a way. Say, Omunim say Kaswa high tension. Until obi di money will break. Yes, a Kaswa. Obi di money wo Iron City, which is Gas South. Yes, a Kaswa. Obi di money wo baby a cool small boy in and say Gas South. You almost share street on the boundary, but because of a share bank as one yesterday, Kaswa jurisdiction in Nampo, they don't even care. To every problem near the Kaswa, then you know the problem. They will mount the problem onto people. Baby, now excuse me to say, once your community be one of my more of a slum. That's why I come from high tension. Yeah. It's more of like a slum where we have ghettos and other places in there, and also you know it's another ghetto, enough pressure there in there. So what we do to ease up the pressure, a whole lot of things go. So that is why when you go into the ghettos around the world, you see things like drugs and all those. It's nothing where pressure. They want to soak the pressure. Sometimes we make it sound so clear. So BBI is okay because maybe sorry my mouth 10 CD a day. Umpo complain somebody doesn't have it at all. So what can I say? And people like that, they resolve in a lot of alcoholism and all that. Show my appearance. I once have a police friend. Me and Django didn't come and there was this one street that boys on good street in so castle and go home pan mammy or madam for. You see, it's something. Only baby, your problem, but the people they don't see how to project our problem. Rather, no, they try to tarnish our media. And I said, man, no more than you. They can say the same negative problem in a way it will let them know that we need more help than what they are doing, the damage they are doing, you know. Because now they are making it say they need to erase. I've heard it say.
So then town in don't you think say more changing ways to
ways of what? Boss who need man ya work over there. Also no crying about.
Who need man ya is okobokro.
No, I'm not justifying that.
Okay.
I am never going to sit here and justify say who need man to kukubi. Me say me need man kukubi. There have been a point in my life and I mean need man things was not going by man kukubi. But I'm trying to be objective. Me pacho boss who what I am funny say yeah 10 8 Jimmy. Boss me bacho yeah chichiri few. Ye nyanom no 2 nim nyansa 8 ayeden a Jimmy. Then na yen 2 ni ebe ye ma 8 no omo aba mfa so because we need the numbers to project. Are you going to kill the 8 because they are stupid, or you are going to find a way to take out the stupidity out of them in a way? Enye ni nyana ebe ye corporal and whatever punishment. Some could be other ways, some could be reformed. Oh, your youth work Kaswa, I'm not sure about the truth of the matter. A youth in Kaswa, you are working on a thin line. Every youth in Kaswa, your youth out. And Kaswa, the funny thing is, it's a youthful dominated area. Until we are youth work Kaswa, the funny thing is, you are working on a thin line. Thin line now walking on this, your other side, and is slippery. This higher slippery, and you are just walking on a thin line. A higher depth, a higher prison. This is what I want to let the people know. Say Kaswa Krono creating in such a way. Say more youth haven't seen that. More youth haven't seen that. They say Krono a 10 line be no more drawn a namso. What's your least mistake was slipping out call left, I will call deaf, grave move straight. And now your least mistake now slipping back the right side now will call prison. This is the life, the reality life in the city we are living in. But what I'm trying to say is, the city need more to secure its people rather than wasting them in that way. We need jobs. Sure, Kaswa, we can create a new city. And it will grow overwhelmingly, if you could agree with me. It's the fastest growing city in West Africa. So many youth on free villages near the Omaba, Accra now to me Accra pressure in Accra, the nearest city I bear with me the kind of things you can find in Accra in Kaswa, into Bemuva Kaswa. Into Kaswa your youthful way. Oh, go check a nation industrial area. See how the industries are congested over there. They can even decongest them now they are back. This is our district. Your lands were I know say I am feeling painful with they will be so glad. So releasing say for them to build all those things in the rubber cutting waves in there. They can robbers near the consumer part. They can have rubber factories and other things.
So what and some day what can be brave. So what are you doing to help?
Then what I'm doing to help? Well, and then say we know
because it didn't no send you okay.
No, I am me as an entertainer, a musician, and a politician, whatever. No, my little way I'm just educating the people. I have a song out there which is addressing these issues. Talking about we having jobs, industries and things in the city, youth in Benyabiaye. Because if the youth have jobs to do, trust me, young crime will be eradicated totally. But it will reduce. It will come down. Boss, you see, sometimes I can't say job. You see, sometimes anyone man, okay, na asako baka ba na babesuo. And because of politics, and then you maybe I devoid the fact that I've stood for MP, no, fine, but I devoid myself from making some things sound political. Now I had to say, but the reality of the matter is, there are so many things that I was say at the leadership of Kaswa who pay attention to. Yeah, what the human resources, enough youth these places they are wasting and drifting away because nothing there for them to do. If you want man, they have been smart to know so okay, see Obia never ton kusia. So Obia ton kusia man never ton idea. Obia never ton. You say a whole lot of things have come to play. People are devising different means to survive. Hence this kind of thing. Oba wo hwɛ mu no nkola ne bi won parents bi won ma they are getting nothing to do no ma wo nkola no so they are getting nothing do so na me catch you say kola no na nam street so na bi won pa ne ma me ye bodafo na wa wo no nam street ni mu. Do you understand? Into such a kid, you know, onam, and they become everything. And oh no, good education. In your way, there are so many outreaches. I think, say, if we enroll as people now, you reach out. You need to be the community. No, me campaigns. I said a lot of things. Me my imagine say later on, I will be having some series of way with the leaderships, you know, of the town. You know, how best that we all will come together, irrespective of political affiliation. We all come together and build this noble city. This is a city of hope.
Okay.
Kaswa is a city of hope.
All right. So in the song now, we release it to address issues. So Kaswa, I mean, what then. Dabe now be released song.
It is released already online. It's on Audio Mac, it's on YouTube, it's on Google. Go to Google, redem.com. Some of the
so in some brosu na in some.
Yes, exactly. Like you see, we need a lot of. Me, I know. Say, be a kaswa this, kaswa that. They should bring military. Kaswa they need military base. Charlie, you go feel bring American army safe. Kaswa will never change until we do the right things to make sure that the youth have something better doing. If these youth are going to Galavant and loiter around like this, dear Charlie, these are the things that we are because
so you think
Kaswa you need to land the name fertile land that will be able to accept farm and you say a farm puna, it has to come with a real technology and demand do. And you see we have plans are which we are here farms to employ these youth. And then I want say youth, you will get majority of them into the working class. Obu on my Kaswa how on boss youth no nam Kaswa obu on my yes or ya kolabonio. Oni bibia ye so be friend no e promise say the man is hard man side to me yes hard we are now so peer pressure to say guy also na ye pra because to say obi try ye bi mo no or ye then or chile you see these things in yan but e bia nkasa boy no we nya adwuma bi na o ya
intini na o kan kosi se adwuma o town ni mu a ana se adwuma o Kaswa ha
me dem se Kaswa de adwuma ni a obi age adi ho adan se adwuma de ehun ye den wa ha
se atumi a create jobs mo obi anya bibi ya nka sa na ma we na
calm down.
All right,
things will calm down.
Okay.
And no so nkyere say e be yi bone ase kra ntino youth no mo Kaswa so have to also talk to them. Say many leadership ne kasa say we na ya na I say me support youth no so mo ndi nkwase asem da bi Kaslan City youth, let me tell you people something. Charlie, when you listen to the song I released, I told you something in there. Say they've set a trap for you. I was trying to say, I'm gonna make catch you. Say Kaswa na your thin line. We at least mistake for how we at least for how prison. It is a one tread cautiously. No one just smart in your living. Pet. You will get problem.
Okay.
Obi ba be dada sikebi wa ha yenkoku obi enko ye we yenko robo yenko ye say Charlie, don't listen to all that.
All right.
You can do better for yourself, my youth, and I believe in you.
And you know, o say about already.
Yeah, it's out.
Okay, a video, na who video
video no dey afei na yeah prepared to get the video out for it. Yeah, project na even in a form of documentary. Now, you want to project the positive side of Kaswa to the world because too much negative no project about Kaswa.
All right.
And then they have me no.
Mami freestyle of the song now.
Okay, I say.
Right.
One Kaswa. Every day them a talk bad about we Kaswa. In the news every day them talk about we Kaswa. Them a pay blind eye for the real deal Kaswa. They use them life when me see them a put in jeopardy. Where are the factories? Where are the industries? The youth they can't find no job for do. After them come out school. The fastest city in West Africa is a cosmopolitan city. Give the youth them opportunities. Don't expose the youth them to the law. You know what going there?
That's right.
Kaslan City. Enough of the youth them don't listen to vibes.
Okay.
Let the teacher learn whatever them teach you, enter your head and listen to your mom's advice. Then
that's
right.
To
you.
So onyom you draw side then sembe by no the motivation behind it then.
Okay, boss who say we are complaining say krumaish. People are who say do baby before me you just say do baby now people were worried. There were pressure in the town. We are complaining. Everybody was having trouble. Until I was like, oh, Charlie, too much troubles. Until before me, I am a pick subject topic, and I'm person they're talking about the target I wanted to achieve. So when I do that, I love words play. So I go back to the dictionary to find alternative words.
Okay.
I was looking for taking away troubles and sorrows, like things that is not needed, unwanted things, hatred. You see, getting it out of you. In the end, the word dross, which means debris, unwanted things.
Okay.
Things which are not needed. That is dross. And see, I felt like, okay, let's put something, an ambiguous word. Jiwo dross.
Okay.
Yes, until jiwo how. Jiwo problem. You know what I mean?
Things
that are not needed with you. But here comes the word play came to cry that you draw. So fans and the crazy stuff. And it's music. Music, that is what makes music beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. But rather people should take away their problems and then party. It talks about partying and all that.
Okay.
The original song before I featured Patapa on the remix.
Okay. Alright. So politics wejai and say obe mrasebe dwemi that's all when so mrasebe dwemi that's all when so and I say what do you see
president and me do.
Okay, so you still go on so
I really want to be the president of this country and if possible Africa.
I see Africa president. Wow. Maybe you'll be the first president in Africa. Let me take a view on this. Rasta boy na
Yanji no school no Achimota for rough na tie boy no home omo so Achimota wait to have a president. Achimota is afraid to bring the Rasta out because
no bet me obey president
is let me tell you Achimota is one of the schooler grooming the leaders of Ghana.
Yes.
And see they know when that boy let me tell you something, they've seen that Rasta has an agenda. Rasta for yantina some planning agenda but naturally no agenda people. Because we want to liberate Africa. Bueno, very brilliant. Haven't you seen that? We break it code. That's what they are afraid of.
Okay.
They are just scared of the man with the locks. Do you know why? When that man takes over, they will expose them. They will let the world know how wicked they've been to us. They will let the world know how in Dadas, we don't have to go deep down there.
All right.
And no more Rastas, but no matter what, Rasta will survive. The first time Rasta has faced tribulations like this before. Do baby, near Church Rasta fool. You to make chill near youth near local, you chill near youth near local. But Rasta has gone past those times, so we would just trivial issues.
All right. You find common in Briary, the other can't cut to na you find common to do this.
And I make come, maybe a problem now, and say Miss Rek has one penny for. Money be being work chrono, and your crew be a man who are debuting with a city of hope. A most of Mukra crew, na Modeko. A tree mutayamwan and Bessie crew, na my mamma, yes, we now Mumbai. Because he didn't say, and I didn't say, we come. Say, young Colania, young Cassia, Mumpenny for ne come. Yes, Mumboa chrono. Mumbi and Jumama and I, young girls are walkers for a dear Kuan, ye do. And easy.
And for Nadio.
Boss, and they say ye do one and ye do one, ye do. Because it may knew a man in a dear Kuan, ye do Kuma, and easy, and ye crime no Kwao.
Okay.
And easy.
It's a Draman so cost who couldn't.
But and you say Jaman cost who can a Jaman so much than on person with them, or beyond with them, just say pressure. Ye demand on yes a joke. Intino, yes, ya papa no, ya mamma, ye brothers in penny for mamma would to me or castle, mamma crazy cano, mamma would Jan be Mumba Buana you to know, and ya be being a crone, yatam pabin frana, crona, embra from Boko. Yes, sir, was 7% make caninani, and ye be the ding, Caswa didn't say, until penny for yes, mamma so. Na mokofa police for soldier for bar boa number boye chia number chie obi mu be stop bon wan hwe ya na yakobo bi tu wa number no solve problem na mmom se munya ye ho abote na mo hihye pa bi ma yen ya ye be so be timanim ye be hye mo nyumonya
okay sana
boss
wakasa bebre but o twe kakra
me twe den
yen o twe
ahoma shema
o twe wusie o bobi
me bo wusie da bi na wusie ye bo
onumri
menum wi
oh what's it
ase unum
so you get to boss and a rasta man there
ada wi ne okay say ye eti
okay o de ahaban ne yeti
o de eti dia menum say ndem menum
ba to nfa jantum
jade ye tumi de to bibia e hye kra say di jatum
enti wo di jatum
do na me ya me tumi
no wo di jatum hye sana mpese me
hye den
ahaban no wi no
me do me feel ho dia ya me
marijuana no o sibi
o che say me shiwi mi ankasa no
wankasa sa
chana o shiwi sana
sana
cut it
ya bedase cut it